Hey there, we're going to have a look at how you can use the target block as a trigger in Minecraft Education. Alright, so we normally look at how we can kind of use these with command blocks, but we're going to have a little bit more fun with this one. Let's have a look. We're going to go to this platform here outside that I've set up, outside of our training area, and I have set up a dispenser with some fireworks. But that dispenser, for example, could be a command block. So I'm going to place down my target block here. Sorry, let's change. There we go, over to World Builder. I'm going to change that over, and if I hit it, it will kind of trigger the fireworks to go off. But as I said, you could be any other thing. It could be a command block. You could also lead it into any other item that can be triggered by redstone. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back. Here we go. And I'm going to grab my little crossbow, and I'm going to fire, and then there we go. Okay, so that dispenser needed a redstone signal in order to fire off. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to use that target block as that. So as I said, you could put anything else kind of connected to it and basically use it in any way that you want. You do need to hit it though with something like an arrow. That's pretty important. But apart from that, I hope you have fun using it and embedding it in your Minecraft world. See you again soon.